Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the fall of this training. I'm so glad and pleased to have you all for this class. Thank you for being so um for your time. You've been available this while. I want to say a very big thank you. And to those that are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. Like I said previously, it is advantageous for you and I. How? When you subscribe, I'm favored because I'll get to be popular more on YouTube. Then when you subscribe, you click on the notification bell, you always get to get my latest information on Forex trading. Whenever I get new write-ups or I get new information, I like to pass it on to my subscribed students. If you don't subscribe, you can't share from this. I also want to say this, that the advanced class is coming exactly on Monday. And like I said, that training is going from 18th of July to 1st of August. As I speak, some people have started making payments. As I speak, some people have started making payments for this advanced class. Please don't miss out. Please don't miss out. That class is a very, very vital class because it is more of practicals. We are going to dive straight into technical analysis and we see how all of this works. And you know the beauty about being part of the advanced class, when you're part of that advanced class, mentorship is free. Some places, after training, they'll tell you to pay so and so amount for mentorship. I don't do that rubbish. If I'm going to earn money, I'm going to charge somebody, I will charge somebody. Not that I'll be taking money bit by bit or stage by stage. I don't do it. Once you make that payment, mentorship is what's free. I'll be putting the account details again on the WhatsApp platform for us to make payments. Like I said, some of our colleagues are already there, waiting for the rest of us. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Today is going to be a wonderful class. Wonderful in the sense that I have some major subtopics I'm going to talk about. When I started this class, day one, I told you guys that I'm starting with Introduction to Forex Trading. Remember very clearly, I told you that day one that don't miss day two, that day two will be more of calculations, which I did. Now, day three, remember very clearly yesterday, I told you that day three is what they call it, money management has started from day three. And money management is going to take place from day three down to day four. Today, I'm going to be doing something very, very, very wonderful. And that is exactly on what I'm going to give you a bit of what I was going to teach you in the advanced class. That's just 1/10 of what you are going to learn in the advanced class. I'm going to teach you a simple logic of support and resistance. Then after that, time permitting, I'll now go into investing.com. Those things I told you to download, I'll talk about them. So let's start. So coming here, starting by my side here, I'm going to be sharing my screen so that you all see this. I'll be going straight to my screen, and here I am. The question is, what exactly is support and resistance? Well, let me show you the course outline for today. I don't think support and resistance is in this course outline. I don't think support and resistance is here, but don't worry. Just because I want you to see that what we are going to do in the advanced class, we're not going there to play. I'll teach you parts of support and resistance. I'm just going to glance through. But in the advanced class, we really, really dig it. And once we go there, I can assure you that you enjoy support and resistance in the advanced class. So now, what exactly is support and resistance? What exactly is support and resistance? Support and resistance is actually a trading strategy or pattern that is used to win in the forex market. Are you with me? Now, what am I trying to say? Let's say I have a trade and the trade is swinging up, down, up. Now, let's say at this point, I have a line that comes in. Now, one thing I always appreciate about, one thing must know about support and resistance is, support and resistance is traded between 1 hour time frame and 4 hours time frame. I'm not saying you cannot trade it in other time frames, but I'm just saying that you enjoy it better on 1 hour time frame and 4 hours time frame. Then what is the next thing? This is called this resistance. This is called the support. Now, if you have this here, now one thing I always tell my students is support and resistance, I always tell people to consider the two touches on it. Now, one thing you should know about support and resistance is there are two ways of trading support and resistance. It's either you trade the bounce or you trade the breakout. What is a bounce? A bounce is when you have a conduit and all of a sudden you notice that this is a conduit. A conduit is a pipe. Let's say you have a small ball that rolls here, the ball goes here, it bounces here, come here, bounces in that other place, bounces here, bounces here, bounces here. This is what they call trading the bounce. So the process whereby the ball is swinging 1, 2, 3, what do? You actually win the market from those points. Now look at it. I always say myself that whenever they see support resistance can only be located in consolidating regions. I repeat, support and resistance can only be considered in consolidating regions. Now, if you look at this, you see that at this point, you have a touch 1 here and a touch 2. Now, this is what? Touch 1 and touch 2. If this is 1, this is 2. If this is 1, this is 2. So what I was saying here is, if, for instance, this trade comes here and hits here 1, hits here 2, let's make the air 3 and 4, please. And hits here 3, 4, 5. There are 2 touch on the resistances or the resistance, and there's another 2 touch on the supports. So in this way, if the ball now goes up, you know what you need to look for. As it's going as a buy, wait for a selling candle. Immediately it comes down, what do? And it shoots up again. What do? Enter this market here as a buy. If I were you, when you enter this market as a buy, you can even go for like 20 pips. You can benefit 20 pips in this case. Can you see? You can benefit 20 pips. Now, what if, for instance, this trade goes up, hits here, as it's coming down, you know, it is coming down with a selling candle. Then there was a retracement, which is a buy going up. If This candle should swing down again. What do you do? Enter this place as a sell. How you do? Enter this place as a sell. So this is 1/10 of support and resistance I'll teach you tonight. The other part of support and resistance I'll teach you in the advanced class, I will show you on trading view how to pick it, how to take it to MetaTrader 4 and put it there. I will do that by showing you on trading view. Are you with me? But guess what? I just gave you an intro of what the advanced class is. Of course, I can't be leaking all the secrets here. If you want to get the full details, what do you need to do? Just subscribe to the advanced class. I'll be dropping the account details on the platform. Subscribe to the advanced class for you to enjoy this part of the technical analysis more. Are you with me? So let's go to the main activity. Now, looking at my screen, we have myfxbook.com, we have investing.com, we have Forex Factory. You have Forex Factory, investing.com, and all of it. Now, if you look at it so closely, we'll be talking about my Myfxbook. What exactly is my Myfxbook? My Myfxbook is simply a website you can use to manage your pips. Aside from pips management, you can also use that website to make analysis. You can make analysis of the news via that website. You can make analysis of the news via that website. So let's go. Going to my Myfxbook. Coming here, I don't know. I don't know if I still have an account with these people. I think I used to do. Let me just sign it. Sign in this account here. Sign in with this. Not going through. It's not a problem if you don't sign in. Sign up rather. What do? You can come here now. Where am I going to? Come to home. Forex calculator. Click on position size calculator. Look at it. What can position size calculator do for you? How can it be advantageous? Position size calculator helps you to calculate the risk or whatever percentage you are taking in the market. That's the advantage of position size calculator. It helps you to tell, or it tells what you are bound to take in the market. What am I saying? Let's say I have $5,000 in the forex market, and because my account size is $5,000, the percentage is just, let's say I'm taking a percentage of 4. Stop loss pips, working with 50. I click on calculate. Once you click on calculate, that's it that 4% of $5,000 is 2,200 naira. 4% of $5,000 is 2,200. Let's do that mathematics so I don't look as if we have false values. times 5,000. Zeros cancel zeros. 4 times 50 is what? That's $200. So what this means is you either win $200 in the market or you lose $200 in the market. How it mean? It means you either win $200 in the market or you lose $200 in the market. So in other words, I can boldly say that if I have $5,000 and I take that risk of $200 from it, so if God forbid you lose $200 for $5,000, you don't need to cry home because you still have a profit of what? 4,800 waiting for you. Hmm? And if on the other hand, God forbid, oh sorry, on the other hand, you gain this, then it is to your own advantage. You smile because plus $200 plus $200 is what? That's $5,200. Can you see? So this will be to your own advantage. Even though this is a loss, it is also to your own advantage. Can you see? That is the beauty about position size calculator. That is the beauty about what? Position size calculator. Now, on this position size calculator, I also want to talk about the news. How is the news beneficial to us? How is the news beneficial to us? Let's see it. Go to home, go to economic, calendar. Look closely. You see that right here, I have the news. This is the title of the news: event, date, time, impact, previous, consensus, actual. What this means is you have the impact is one major thing you should always look at when it comes to position size calculator. The impact is one major thing you should also always look at when it comes to position size calculator. What am I saying? For the impact has three phases, which is the high, the low, and the medium. Look at it, class. The high is having the red color. The medium is having the orange color. Then finally, the low is having the green color. So what that means is it is always good for you to concentrate on the high. I repeat, it is always good for you to concentrate on the high because that's where the event is mostly occurring in. How you doing? Let's scroll down and see better things. Look at this. Just today, as of 15 today, 1:30, they said retail sales X auto MOM. Look at the news impact, high. Another MOM for June, high. If I click this news, let's say I want to click this news, you see that there's the details of this here. Can see it? If I click out, I see. This is the news. In the United States, retail stock also reports provides a consolidated measure of retail products and service sales. How you do? You come here, you read the news. When you read the news, you leave, and now come here. This is the most important part. You have the previous, consensus, actual. Consensus is like when you are saying find the mean of two values, 8 and 6. Are you with me? Now look at it. If you look at this, you notice that the value for at this high 0.6 is less than 1%. Take a closer look. 0.6 is less than what? 1%. If you also look at here, 0.1 is less than 1%. Whenever the previous is less than the actual, it means you should enter that market as a buy. I repeat, when the actual is greater than the previous on the high impact, it means you should enter that market as a buy. But when the actual is less than the previous, what do? You enter that market as a sell. Let me prove to you that truly you can even profit in two ways in this condition. Let's go to trading view. Right here on trading view, I'll be teaching more on trading view. Go to products, charts, the advanced class. Let's take on forex space. Let's go on Euro USD, please. Can you see this? Now let's go and check the time that event occurred. Coming back here, that time it occurred as I wanted. Let's see. From my analysis here, I told you that if the actual is greater than this, you should go on a buy for USD. So what that means is, coming here, let me clear my screen. If you take a currency pair like GBP USD, welcome, Mr. John, and USD card. If USD card is going on a buy here, GBP USD should be going on a sell in this case. I repeat, either it's going as a buy, GBP USD should be going on a sell. So what you need to do here is now go to your trading view and make your analysis. Let's see. So let me go to GBP USD. For GBP USD, you see that let's go and check the time. Yeah, welcome. Let's go and check the time as at 1 o'clock today. Can you see my screen? Let's check 1 o'clock. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Yes. Yes, in between. Can you see? Oh, let me start with this time for. Welcome, sir. Yes, in between. Can you see this time? Can you see this time thing? You can see that there was a selling candle in that time. Yes, that's it. That's it. There was a selling candle as at that time. Now let's go and check USD card. I told you GPP USD card should go on a buy in that condition. Welcome, Mr. Reggae. You see, the same thing occurred here. It went on a buy at this spot. This is it. It went on a buy at this spot. Can you see? Let's even see how much that is. Don't worry. In the advanced class, I'll teach you how to use this chart very well. Almost 28 pips. That's 28 pips. So that's that. That is that. Let's now go to my next topic for today, or subtopic, and that is investing.com. Investing.com. Oh, sorry. We are still waiting. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's coming out. This is investing.com. Investing.com is a site, and the site literally that's very, 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 very. How is it very, very? Therefore, such that look at this very, you see that this chart right here, you have some news. But the first place we even come to, let's go to Forex. I use this site very well to make analysis. Let's come to Forex. Go to Forex. Let's see what the latest news seems to look like. I'll give you people one example to look at it. 48 minutes ago, the news was dollar dips on profit taking. Dollar dips on profit taking. Fed rate part in focus. It's just that the market will soon close. But do you know what this means actually? When you hear the information that dollar dips, it means that dollar is going down. Are you with me, class? It means that what? Dollar is going down. So what do you do in this case? In this case, let's go to my board. Dollar is dipping in this case. What do you do? Since dollar is dipping, it means that dollar is going as a sell. In this case of GPP USD, dollar here is going down, dollar here is going up. So if dollar is going down here, it means that this market here, we go, GPP is over USD. Are you with me? GPP is over USD. And USD card is less than card. Can you see this? USD is less than Canadian dollar. So since this is less, it means you are entering this market as a buy. And since this is going down, you enter this market as a sell. In fact, most times, when I get the news information, I profit in two ways. That's me. When I get the news like that, I will use that one stone to keep two birds. I'll profit in what? In 2 ways. That's that. Another thing I would like to show you people tonight is technical summary. Look at this place. Oh, let's go to first summary. Oh, this is so nice. Look at it. Look at this. I was saying the other time. I said dollar has gone down. And if you look at my chart, I told you that GPP USD is going on this phase. I told you GPP USD is going on the buy. GPP USD and Euro USD, they are very synonymous. Why? Because Dollar is at the other end, the quote currency. Since it's going on a buy, if you look at my chart here, this is showing strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. This strong sell is an indication that there's every tendency that after you have profited as a buy, this market might even go on a sell later. Isn't it? It shows that this market might even go on a sell later. But do you know the beauty about it? Because it is a strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, you enter the market as a buy. For USD JPY and USD CHF, you will see it is strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. USD CHF, strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. Are you with? So that is that. That is that. That's every other one will be taught in the advanced class. Like I said, the advanced class is on Monday, 18th to 1st of August. The cost price is 10,000. Please, as I'm talking to you, some of our participants here have started registering. Please let us take our time and attend that class. I know God will bless you all. All of you that have been coming for this training, God bless you greatly. Those people watching and listening the after video or version, God bless you greatly. I appreciate you. Mr. Regi, do you have any question?
No. I went to limit up now, so I'll just go to the video and get it back.
No problem, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you all in the advanced class. Bye for now.
All right.